So when I do have bad days, it's not as bad, if that makes any sense. I'm so blind. Bright red to not bright red, bright purple. Yay, they're not even. So good at makeup. Unbelievable. Good morning. Welcome back to Hely Handmade again. So, I'm looking a bit rough this morning, so I decided I'm going to do my skincare, show you what's going on, and we'll see what happens after that. I might do makeup. We shall see. This face needs some work, and this hair. Oh, it's getting ready to be dyed again soon. Oh, maybe I should do a glow up. It's going to take a lot of work. Anyway, I thought I'd bring you with me, show you what I sort of do my skincare routine that I try and do daily, depending on mood and whether I just can't be bothered and something else. But yeah, I thought I'd bring you along. So I'm going to be cleansing my face this morning. I think it's cleansing. Yeah, cleansing my face this morning. I use this Boots cucumber facial wash. I use that for my mornings anyway to waken my face up, and then I've got the rest of my skincare routine to go, so I'll bring you on with it. And I might do something with my hair, I don't know. I hope you enjoy this video and see what happens. Alright, I'll get some ready. Alright, got my water ready. Take my glasses off, can't see a thing now, I'm completely blind. I'll go ahead and cleanse my face, do my get nice and washed. I like to pat it dry. It's a lot nicer on the skin if I do. There we go, nice and dry. I think I'm going to move on to my next lot of skincare. Probably the best thing after that is to brush my teeth, as I've just had a load of Special K. Right, so that's my teeth done. Should we move on to something else? Hello, Demi. Demi. Hello. I've still got face stuff to do. So I'm going to do my general, what I do with my sort of face routine. And then I'm going to do sort of my daily makeup. I say daily, it's only when I'm going out, because at the moment I've literally been in really baggy tops all day in comfiness. Most of my facial products are from Boots, and some of the others are from Tesco's. Right. Yeah, I don't need that many, but we got them. I start with my Boots cucumber cleansing lotion. It's this one. I find these quite soothing. I've got quite sensitive skin, but it's also really oily and dry at the same time. Right, let's take that off. Keep my mirror. Done. skin. Then next I use the Tesco Kind and Pure for sensitive skin cleansing micellar water. So just like to make sure and clean as much as I can, and I find that it keeps the spots away as much as possible, and I do it quite excessively anyway, just for the fact that some days if I'm having a bad day I won't do any skincare for sometimes a few weeks, so I find by going in quite strong with them, so when I do have bad days it's not as bad, if that makes any sense. Next I've got the Cucumber Facial Toner by Boots again. Oh, I love this toner, it smells so nice. It's a mixture between cucumber and alcohol, like the clean alcohol, not just drinking alcohol. Sorry if I keep blocking with my mirror, but I'm blind, so sometimes I need to be right up close. So next job, if I am going out for the day and I am putting makeup on like today, what I will use, because of my skin being quite oily, and I learned this from the makeup artist Robert Welsh. I love his videos, they're brilliant, but he recommended using sort of like a gel moisturiser for oily skin, so I use the Boots Tea Tree Witch Hazel, which is the Shine Control Shine Control Day Moisturiser, which is great, and I've also got the night one. But if I'm at home, I'm not really going anywhere, I'm not putting makeup on, I will use the Tesco Kind and Pure for sensitive skin, a refreshing daily moisturiser with SPF 15. It's a bit more creamy, so it sort of does keep my face moisturised, but I'm not putting anything else on it, so it can just settle as it is. But I find the gel's a lot better for when I'm putting my actual makeup on. To be fair, even after I've taken off makeup, I do generally put this on anyway at night time, and if not, this is the night treatment gel I'll put on just for every now and then. I think every other day I sort of swap them a little bit so my skin doesn't get so used to it. But yeah, let's just roll this in. Base of my face done. All of my makeup is pretty much drugstore as well. My everyday makeup, at the moment I use the Revolution Fast Base Concealer in C1, and I just use that for general cover over my face, but we are getting to the bottom of it, so we'll see how much can get out. I like to cover just some of the spots and blemishes, and I do my nose just because I'm prone to become a beetroot. People that know me will see that I literally overheat with anything, so I just turn into this bright purple. As much as I like purple, even though it looks pink on camera, as much as I like bright purple coloured hair, I don't like my face looking like that. That'll do. It does not look any better on camera. That's fine. It's good, fine. Okay. Right, yes, and I don't even know. I need to wake up. What am I doing? Right. Bronzer. That's what I'm gonna do because I'm very pasty. So I've got, once again, Revolution one, and this is the Bronzer Reloaded Holiday Romance. I love this, it's beautiful on the skin. And yes, I can hear you all screaming, no, why is she doing that? I don't know. Then I have another Revolution product, my blush, which is in Peaches and Cream. It's Blusher Reloaded. Lovely little thing, but mine came broken, so it doesn't close properly. I really need to remember not to put this in front of the camera, because then you can't see. The next bit, I've got my highlighter, and it's my favourite, but I cannot find it anywhere now. It's the Essence Glow Like a Mermaid highlighter. I think I got it from Wilko's, and I think at the time it's only about £1, maybe £2, but I love it, absolutely love this. It's so pretty. I'm not one for my highlighter being too in your face, but I just find this one to be absolutely gorgeous. So this one is Revolution Pro Dark Brown Eyebrow Pencil. I find this really nice, to be quite honest. You've got a spoolie at one end, and then obviously the pencil at the other. I do find this lovely. Alright, I'm going to try and do this without having the mirror to cover my face, but I can't see a thing, so we'll see what happens. See if these become sisters or enemies. I am not good at this. This one is, or at least it was, yeah, Barry Cosmetics, and it's supposed to be clear, but it's not. I've obviously been using it wrong. But it's called Take a Brow Shape and Define Brow Gel. Then I've got the Revolution Pro Eye Elements Core Eye Primer. Anybody else have cats that knock everything off of everywhere? Because that is what happened. Let's shove these on for a minute. Oh dear. Goodness, it's windy. I don't know whether you can hear it or not. We have pretty much a flat packed house, so every little bit of noise just comes through the windows. I mean, it's lovely because it's not too hot today,
finally. I can't handle the heat when it's too hot. It has to have some sort of breeze, otherwise no, it's not happening. I'm out for the day. We've got 2 fans on here at the moment. I'll be putting them both on, and I'd have to sleep through sort of the heat because it's just too much otherwise for me. But yeah, anyway, sorry if you can hear the wind blowing through. It sounds like somebody's lawn mowing or leaf blowing, whatever. Anyway, so what do I want to go into next? See, there's a pinky shade on this one, pink champagne, but it's a bit more of sort of like a metallic foil. I'm not really feeling that one right now. So my next option, should really change my brush up, but I'm more than happy with this. So my next option is the Forever Mermaids palette. So I'll probably use Urchin, if that can be seen, because I can't see, so whatever. So I've got either Urchin or the one. Oh, actually. Ooh. I might go put a little bit of Ocean. If I do Ocean and Urchin, just put a little bit of both in. I think actually, because they're different colours completely, I will change my brush. And I think I will start off with Urchin. No, it does not show up at all on there. Yay, they're not even. So good at makeup. Unbelievable. That's that iron. It'll do for today. Primark leggings, can't remember how much, had them for years. Then I've got my yellow basic Paradise top, which was £2.50 from Primani. Shoe Zone, love them, they're stretchy, they're comfy, they're actually a little bit loose, which is peculiar because they're normally quite tight or right on size, but I'm quite liking this actually. So yeah, so I will see you again when I come back home and maybe decide to dye my hair and try and tan. Where am I putting my camera? Oh, I'm not helping that at all. Right, see you later, boy. I missed you, Hobbycraft. We shall be reunited soon.